This arrangement is indicating the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. When the magnet enters the coil, the lines of forces are cut, induced current is generated, and induced current will be responsible for the glow of bulb. So this is depicting the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, that is, rate of change of flux will be directly proportional to induced current. Now again, the water is doing the mechanical work on the magnetic needle. When the needle will rotate, flux will change. Due to change in flux, again the induced current is generated, and that induced current will indicate that the bulb will glow. So in both the cases, we find that Faraday's law of electromagnetic inductions are verified. The rate of change of flux will be directly proportional to induced current.
Next, we are taking electrophoresis. Electrophoresis is the process in which colloidal particles move towards oppositely charged electrodes. Here in a U-shaped tube, we have taken colloidal particles with Persian medium, and we are passing electric current. This side we have cathode, this side we have anode. And let us see what will happen when electric current is passed. The particles have moved towards anode. It means particles are negatively charged and they are attracted towards anode. They will get accumulated at anode. We can determine the charge with the help of electrophoresis. This process is called electrophoresis.
Now you can see here how the water is moving through apoplastic pathway as well as through symplastic pathway. Root here, soil water, and then you have soil particles, inorganic ions, etc. This is the apoplastic pathway. This is the symplastic pathway, and here you can find the water is being absorbed both in apoplastic way as well as in symplastic way.
We'll be just seeing a beautiful animation based on the process of digestion. You can see the alimentary canal begins with the oral cavity. The purple shaped stuff that you see is our food. From the oral cavity, food you see is entering into the pharynx. The soft palate gets elevated and the food passes into the esophagus. The food is now known as bolus. Food reaches the stomach. These are the rugae present in the stomach. From the stomach, food passes into the small intestine. It is now called chyme. This is the pyloric sphincter, which allows entry of the food from the stomach into the duodenum. This is how it moves in the small intestine.
Today we discuss some important questions for board examination. First, find the principal solution of equation sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. Sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. We want to find a principal solution of this equation. We know that principal solution lie in between 0 to 2 pi. Principal solution of equation lie in between 0 to 2 pi. So what will be principal solution of sin x is equal to root 3 by 2? We know that sin x is positive in first and second quadrant. So principal values of sin x lie in between first and third quadrant. So if sin x is equal to root 3 by 2, it means sin, this is value of sin 60 degree. It means sin pi by 3. Or x will be equal to pi by 3 is a principal value of this equation sin x is equal to root 3 by 2. But sin x lie in second quadrant positive also. So in second quadrant, sin x is equal to pi minus pi by 3 is equals to 3 pi minus pi by 3 of 2 pi by 3. It means principal solution of this equation sin x is equal to root 3 by 2 is pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3, because principal solution lie in between 0 to 2 pi. So sin x is equal to root 3 by 2 is pi by 3 and 2 pi by 3 is its principal solution.